This is the best boom microphone for your camera, the Comica VM40. It's got features that no other boom mic has. Let's talk about it. Check this out. What's up guys, Marion from Camera to Freedom. If you guys use your camera to take photos and videos so that you can live a life of freedom, hit that like and subscribe and let's go. All right guys, so boom mics. They finally have evolved. Okay, so I've been using boom mics since day one, just a regular boom mic. A lot of them, you have to put a battery in there, you plug it to your camera. It does a decent job. I wasn't too impressed about it, so I ended up not even using it half the time. Sometimes I do use it. So they do have their pros and cons for sure, but they've never evolved for this many years. But finally, Comica has released a boom mic that is so next level, the new generation. First off, this is a 32-bit internal recording boom mic. So this has a 32 gigabyte internal storage also, and you can record up to 40 hours of 32-bit audio internally. When I'm shooting a short film where we have a guy with a boom mic and we have a little boom mic at the edge of it, then a long wire comes down and it goes into your audio recorder, and you have to record it separately, and then you have to sync that audio back into your camera later on. With this one, not only does it record 32-bit internally, so you have a safety audio, it also wirelessly remotes into a receiver. So it is a wireless remote boom mic that records directly into your camera. You could get a version that has two boom mics that goes into one recorder, and it has a built-in battery. If you use the wire, because it does come with a wire to record directly into your camera and into devices, and if you use the wire, then the battery will last you for 32 hours, which is crazy long. And if you're doing it wirelessly, the battery will last you 10 hours. So it has all the options as a regular boom mic would, but it's got all new features. You could also use a USB-C cable that it comes with and plug it directly into a laptop if you want to use it as a desktop boom mic, desktop microphone. You could use it for a podcast. It comes with this awesome little bag right over here, and it comes with the shock mount that's on top of your camera. It comes with a little muffler. It comes with a big dead cat muffler for those windy days. One particular reason why this saved me, this was amazing to use, was because this event that I filmed, it was loud. It was a small area. They requested me to do interviews with everybody and ask them to send a little congratulations. And at the same time, the speaker and the music and the band was just right next to us. You know how difficult that is to try to get ambient sound, and then when the music turns on, then you have to readjust so that your audio isn't peaking. It was a mess, right? And then on top of that, the music was so loud that when I had to interview people, I didn't want to take them away from their seat to go into a room to a different location where there's no music. Most of them don't even want to be on camera. So I had to just record them on the spot. And this microphone saved the day because it's a 32-bit. So if it peaked, then 32-bit audio allows you to bring it down. And if it's too low, it allows you to bring it up. Unlike regular 24-bit audios, once that peaks, it's gone. It's useless. It's distorted. This thing has a little dial on the bottom, so quickly, instead of me having to go into my camera to lower my recording level, which you can't do while it's recording, I could just dial it down right on the spot. It did an absolute amazing job getting the person talking, even though the music was 10 times louder than them. I couldn't even hear the person talking. The music was so loud.
I thought the wedding was really good. I had a lot of fun.
I thought it was a beautiful venue and it had a really great view.
So that's like magic. That's crazy, right? Like it's just normal that if the music is super loud and you can't even hear each other talk, forget about recording that voice. But magic. I'm telling you, I definitely recommend it for sure for rough situations like that. The audio you're listening to now is recorded directly into the VM40 boom mic, 32-bit. Hold down the safety button to turn it on. Tap the safety button again to switch from mono or safety mode. Tap on the record button to turn on low cut mode, which gets rid of the low rumble noises like air conditioners, fans. Tap the record button again to turn on high frequency boost, which makes the voice sound more crisp. Tap on the record button to turn on both low cut and high frequency boost. Tap it again to turn it off. Hold down the record button to record internally. The volume dial moves firmly and smoothly from level 0 to 10. You connect your VM40 through the 3.5mm connector to your camera using the TRS cable, which has two black bars. You can use the TRRS cable with 3 black bars to connect to your phone or computer directly. You can also connect to your phone and computer using the USB-C cable directly from the mic. On the receiver, hold down the power button to turn it on. Tap on the same mode button to switch from mono, stereo, and safety mode. Safety mode where the second audio line is a lot lower in case the audio peaks. Hold down the channel 1 button to turn on the Comica's brand CalMix noise cancellation, which is amazing. Hold it down again to take the noise cancellation to the max level, and hold it down again to turn that off. Hold down the channel 2 button to start internal recording remotely. On the side, the 3.5 hole is to connect to your camera using the TRS cable, and you can use the TRRS3 black bar cable to connect to your computer and phone, of course. And the second hole is a monitor audio that you can connect your headphone in case your camera doesn't have an audio output, or if you want a second headphone that your partner could listen to. You can also use this USB-C cable to connect to your computer or your phone from this receiver wirelessly. Now, one of the coolest features that this Comica VM40 boom mic can do that no other boom mics can do is that you can record audio into 2 different cameras, including recording 32-bit audio internally into the boom mic that has 32GB internal storage. Connect your VM40 to your camera with the audio cable directly, and have the receiver on a second camera using another TRS cable, and now you have 3 different types of audio that you can play with. You can have one camera recording in stereo, second camera recording in mono or safety, and then you have that 32-bit audio directly from your boom mic. Alright guys, so I got the link below. If you do buy from me, thank you so very much for your support. I definitely recommend it if you are looking for an awesome updated boom mic that can just do so much. And I will see you next time.